Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the black screen of death issue on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix your issue of black screen, first of all try force restarting your mobile. So to force restart, press and hold the volume down button and power button for 10 seconds. If the Samsung logo appears on the screen and your phone restarts, it means your problem is fixed. But if your phone does not restart, then connect your charger for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes again force restart your mobile. So press the volume down button and power button again for 10 seconds. So if this time it start, it means your problem is fixed. But if it's still not starting, then it means it's a hardware issue. So take your mobile to a repairing shop to fix this issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.